Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'm going to show you a new technique that my wife suggested I try. It's bubble wrap to put the sheetrock mud up on the ceiling to do knockdown texture. In the past, I've always used the paper or the plastic off of water bottles, and it's a nice stiff plastic, and it does work. But when I did the ceiling in my kitchen, it left too big of spots so that when I knocked it down, the spots were flat, were bigger than the texture on my ceiling. So I sanded all down and did it with this bubble wrap, and I'll show you how that works. And also when I did it before, I had let it dry too long and had to make several swipes to knock it down. And this time I'm going to show you how I did it just with single swipes over the mud that's put on the ceiling. So hang tight and we'll get started. So you want to thin your mud down with a little bit of clear water just to make it a little bit softer. And this is a bubble wrap. Just kind of make it like in a mushroom, wrap some tape around it, act like a handle, and you just stick it in there like so, and that way you get different points that are going to stick up onto your ceiling. So show you up here. And I had done this before, but I had too big of globs. I used a different technique, but this is a new technique that I just learned with the bubble wrap. So, and don't want to have a lot of mud on. There's a couple globs there. I'll come back and get those down. Those were too big. I want to try to match the texture on the rest of the ceiling. So I don't want a lot. You want multiple little mountains, upside down mountains coming down, but you want them small. You don't want big blobs. At least not to match the texture on my ceiling. There's a couple more there. I'll come back and clean those up too. I'll come back over there, got it. And you want to go out past the edge where your patch was and tie it into the existing texture. And knock that one down a little bit. I'm going to get this knocked down a little bit more. Don't want big globs because that makes a big flat spot, and I don't want huge flat spots. That's not the way my texture is. Get that knocked down a little bit there too. And that's looking pretty good there. So now I'm only going to let it set for about 5 minutes. I did this earlier and I let it set too long and it was dry, so I sanded it down to redo it. That way I only need a single swipe on this, just a single swipe, and then you want to wipe the mud off the knife so that you don't drag that across the next path, and just a single swipe and does what they call the knockdown. And after you've done a single swipe on it, then you let it set for 24 hours, and then you can come back and put a coat of ceiling paint on top of that. That's it. Well, I'd sure like to thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you'll do that and then click the bell icon, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks again for watching. You have a great day.